नमस्कार. आयच्या हिडोनात तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. आणि आमचे बरोबर आसात गोंयचे नवे वीज मंत्री आणि नवे मंत्री निलेश बाब काब्राल. जाल्यार वेलकम टू द शो. सगळ्यांत पयली गजाल म्हळ्यार ज्या परिस्थिती भितर तुमी मंत्री जाले आणि ज्या परिस्थिती भितर तुमकां फोन आयलो की तुमी मंत्री जातात म्हण, वॉट वेर युअर फर्स्ट थॉट्स?
Blank, like how you ask you the same. म्हाका पयली भाईन फोन केल्लो आनी स्पोक टू मी की अशें अशें अरावंड 10 o'clock हांव एक प्रोग्रामाक आशिल्लो. आय डिडंट नो हाव टू रिएक्ट. हांवें म्हणलें थँक्यू सर म्हटलें, कित्याक म्हाका आय कुड नॉट स्पीक टू हिम मच. आनी सारकें काम कर म्हणून पावलो. हांवें म्हणलें हांव सदांच करता, तुमचो आशिर्वाद उरचो म्हण. इतलेंच हांवें सांगलें ताका. बट आय फेल्ट नायस आउट ऑफ सो मेनी पीपल. ही ट्रस्टेड मी. He felt that I should take some responsibility. Not that I asked for the responsibility, but he thought among everybody that you could trust me in the responsibility. That is the fact that a leader recognizes my stature as that I can do work was very relaxing. And that also a leader like Mr. Manohar Parrikar. Because in my whole career, I never asked for ministership. I have never asked for anything. But recognizing and giving to me was something I felt very nice. I also told him that after Shapath Vidhi, I went to meet him. I told him that in case तुका कितें दिसता because of political compulsion, you please only tell me that हे मातशें करपाचें, I will resign. I have no issues.
एक अशें रेअर स्वेरिंगेन जंय मुख्यमंत्री हजर रावपाक शकले नात, फील जालें?
ना, फील जालें म्हणल्यार कितें जाता, सी आतां आय डोंट नो वॉट इज माय पॉलिटिकल करियर. I will work for the people, especially my constituency and the state of Goa as a power minister and other departments of judiciary. But we are all aware that he is not well. And as a leader, I would always want him to be at my side because see, whatever said and done, he has got vast knowledge. He has grasped over his political career. It is not that you inherit knowledge. To become a minister is very easy. But to get knowledge and work and to get things done is something which everybody should accept. Becoming a chief minister without knowledge and getting things done. Now, okay, because of he was not there, he is not there for few days. 4-5 mahine amka is not there. That's a different thing. But otherwise, always his guidance is required for not only us, even opposition people used to guide when he was not the chief minister itself. So, to nashilo, yes, it not hurt, but it made a difference that he is not there. Macha aspak jalo, maka disle ase.
एक सांगा, तुमकां पोर्टफोलियो दिले तेन्ना तुमकां पावर मिनिस्ट्री दिली ना. पावर मिनिस्ट्री ही एक व्हेरी ट्रिकी मिनिस्ट्री आणि एक कटकटीची मिनिस्ट्री. कारण जो पावर मिनिस्टर जाता ताका दोन गजाली येतात. एक तर ताका पयलीं सांगचें पडटा की आपूण 24 वरां लायट दिवपाचो प्रयत्न करतलो म्हणून, आनी मागीर ती जेन्ना दिवपाक जायना आनी जेन्ना पावर कट जावपाक लागता तेन्ना मागीर लोक ताका गाळी घालतात. जेन्ना ही मिनिस्ट्री पावली, आयली कटकट म्हणून पयली का आयली चॅलेंज म्हणून पयली?
आयली चॅलेंज.
आयली चॅलेंज.
कटकट न्ही, म्हाका खंयचेंच काम कटकट दिसना. इट्स अ चॅलेंज. एंड वेन युअर कॉन्शियन्स इज क्लियर, युअर एबिलिटी इज देर टू गेट थिंग्स डन, विच आय हॅव, आय थिंक सो, आय विल डू इट. बट आतां कितें जालां, इट इज नॉट इंटरनली. आतां पावर कम्स फ्रॉम अ डिफरंट स्टेट. वी डोंट हॅव आवर ओन सोर्स ऑफ पावर. सो इफ द पावर फ्रॉम द अदर स्टेट इज ओनली नॉट कमिंग, what I can do? But as far as the infrastructure is concerned, it's a challenge for me to get things rightly done with the blessing of Honorable CM. Because see, financially, power department, you require a lot of finance to put everything in place. We can think of different modes, modules, different ways to do it. But how successful I will be, I don't know. But I have promised people yesterday, give me 45 days. I have asked for 45 days. And I will first see what to do, where there are major problems. And those I will try to tackle.
एक गजाल, तुम्ही डिपार्टमेंट हातांत घेतले तेन्ना त्या डिपार्टमेंटाचे जे मंत्री आशिल्ले ते स्वता हॉस्पिटलांत आशिल्ले. एक 4-5 म्हयने त्या डिपार्टमेंटाक मंत्रीच नाशिल्लो. तुमचे चीफ इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजिनियराची परिस्थिती अशी आहे की तुम्ही एक्सटेन्शन दीत आसात. अशी परिस्थिती भितर तुम्ही डिपार्टमेंट हातांत घेतात आनी वेल्यान लोकांचो जर बोवाळ चालूच आसा, आज हांगा लायट ना, थंय लायट ना, लायट नासतना उदकाची प्रॉब्लेम, पंपिंग स्टेशनाचे लायट सारकी मेळना म्हणून उदकाची प्रॉब्लेम. अशी परिस्थिती भितर तुम्ही डिपार्टमेंट हातांत घेतला. हाव वॉज युअर फर्स्ट एक्सपिरियन्स? कारण आतां आमी इंटरव्यू घेवपाक एक 7-8 दीस काडले प्रिसायसली बिकॉज तुमकां एक अंदाज येवनी तुमच्या डिपार्टमेंटाचो म्हण. आज जेन्ना प्रिलिमिनरी अंदाज घेतकीर वॉट इज युअर असेसमेंट?
खटखटीचो डिपार्टमेंट म्हणल्यार लोकांची आतां कितें गरमी वाडल्या. आज लोकां एसीन रावता, फॅन जाय, आणि हीट वाढल्या तरी आणि बिल्डिंगा रावता गच्च रावता आणि यू फील दॅट ह्युमिडिटी. सो पावर गेलो म्हणल्यार रोखडे फोन येवपाक लागता. पावर गेलो म्हणल्यार रोखडे फोन
कासावीस जातात.
कासावीस जाता. आनी आय डोंट ब्लेम देम बिकॉज इवन म्हाज्या घरा कडेन जेन्ना पावर येता रोखडो फोन करता. So it is I have like a common man, I have to face it. So as a minister I have to see that problem shall be solved. Now it is not going to happen overnight, as I told you.
What is the biggest problem of department that you have identified?
What I foresee is, first of all, we don't have our own source of power. We are dependent on two grids. One grid is the old grid bringing power. आमच्या सिस्टमाच्या भशेन आसा कोरोडेड म्हणजे it gives way. One is a new grid, so it is okay. So now improvising on those things. Because we don't generate our own power, I have no control on bringing power. That is one thing people of Goa should understand. म्हणजे आम्ही गोंयांत आम्ही power करना. We are dependent on other people, number one. Now, if their power comes to me, then the infrastructure should be perfect so that we get 24
तो
hours.
सारको लोकां म्हऱ्या पावपाक जाय.
पावपाक जाय सारकें. तो करपा खातीर जे प्रॉब्लेमॅटीक एरिया आसा.
इज इट अ फॅक्ट दॅट आज डिपार्टमेंटाचो सगळ्यांत व्हडलो प्रॉब्लेम म्हळ्यार बरें इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर. म्हळ्यार फाटल्या मे बी एक 10-12 वर्सां भितर त्या डिपार्टमेंटाची अशी दैन जाल्या की ते इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जाग्यार नाशिल्ल्यान आज बारीक बारीक गजालीक लागून लोकांक त्रास सहन करचे पडटा. हो फॅक्ट काय न्ही.
100%. Of course, I have to admit, why I'll say no. It is to be admitted. Whether who was responsible, I don't know. But the department itself is responsible, I feel. स्टोरान सामान ना, लायटीचे सर्वीस वायर ना, तुझे तुका केबल घालपाक जे आसा खंय शॉर्ट जाले ते ना, फ्यूज वायर ना. हे सगळे गोष्टी म्हाका खबर आसा. स्टोरा कडेन लिस्ट मागले बाबा कितें आहा तुजे कडेन स्टोरान मिनिमम स्टॉक आसपाक जाय 0 सगळे ट्रान्सफॉर्मर ना. So it is a fact. Why should I tell lies? So it is a fact. But it will take me time. It is not going to get overnight. I am going to dedicatedly give my time to this department, which really requires time, because this is one department.
One thing I know, this department really requires a dynamic minister.
I am not saying dynamism, but it requires.
No, it requires
efforts.
dynamism. कारण सांगता कारण हो डिपार्टमेंट एक असो जो प्रत्येकाच्या जिणेकडेन आणि घराकडेन सामको महत्वाचो
उदक
डिपार्टमेंट
देखून ना जाल्यार बाबा उदक भरून दवरता लोक.
हय,
लायट काय भरून दवरूंक शकना. लायट जायच.
हय.
आता जनरेटर कोणाकडे प्रिव्हिलेजा कडेन आसा ही दुसरी गोष्ट, कोणाकडे आनी कितें आसा ही दुसरी गोष्ट. बट
सामान्य मनीस घरात जनरेटर आणि इन्व्हर्टर हाडपाक शकना.
95% ऑफ द पॉप्युलेशन ऑफ गोवा हाडूंक शकना.
बरोबर.
सो आय हॅव टू रियली स्लॉग अँड गेट इट डन. अँड आय नो आय विल बी एबल टू डू, बट इट टेक सम टायम. आय कॅन अश्युअर दॅट आय विल वर्क इन अ रायट डायरेक्शन. टेम्पररी मेजर्स फर्स्ट अँड परमनंट मेजर्स सेकंडली. आणि दुसरें म्हणल्यार सीएमा कडेन पयशे मागपाची परिस्थिती जायच न्ही. विदाउट मनी हाव विल आय डू, ऑर आय हॅव टू थिंक ऑफ आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स थिंकिंग, which is also possible, which I will come out with. That is what I did in GTDC also. I'll come out with. Only government has to approve. I mean,
आज पृष्ठ कसा एक जालो आम्ही सदांच सामान्य मनशाक जावपी त्रासांची पयली उलयता. कारण दॅट अफेक्ट्स एज यू सेड 95% ऑफ द
people.
पॉप्युलेशन. दुसरी गजाल जी असता ती म्हळ्यार इंडस्ट्रीची. आणि इंडस्ट्रीचो प्रॉब्लेम असता की इंडस्ट्रीक जर तुम्ही अनइंटरप्टेड पॉवर सप्लाय दिना जाल्यार तांचे प्रोडक्शन धरून एफिशियन्सी धरून सगळे गजालींचे प्रभाव पडटा. स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज मिडियम स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज सुद्दां बोळा मारतात की आमकां जाय तसो सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंटा कडच्यान मेळना. एक वटेच्यान आमी इन्व्हेस्टमेंट प्रमोशन बोर्डाची भाशा करप आनी दुसरी वटेच्यान आमी सारके लायट सुद्दां तांकां सारकी दिवपाक शकप ना. How are you going to balance this thing? And I can ask this question to you because you have experience of both. That's why I'm asking this.
That's correct. What you are saying is absolutely right. First, कितें जाता न्ही, feeders are different for industries, feeders are different for hotels, feeders are where the industries are different feeders. It is not a question that we cannot take load, power हाडूंक शकना. But there is a capacity in a line, a 110 kVA line or 33 kVA line, there is a capacity of amperes which can go to a particular level. Now, what is the reason? First, it is not that we are not getting power from other states. We can always buy more power. There is always requirement of power. But how are we going to distribute to the power to them? Buying is not the solution.
Again, it is a infrastructure.
Infrastructure. आता industry is being targeted. I accept the fact because we want common people to have the electricity. Moment कितें अशें जालें load over जाल्यार पयली feeder off करता industryचो. पयलो feeder off करता hotelaचो. So because they have the capacity of running on generators. See, we should also accept that industries have made this provision in their factory where they have generators, they run the generators. Hotels have generators, they run. So I think I will look at a different angle. I'm just a thought to me की जे इंडस्ट्री पयली येयल्ल्यो आनी मागीर नंतर इंडस्ट्री येयल्यो temporarily maybe I will think that the feeder should run. The Poili Barik industry should not suffer. And people who have come afterwards, who have given undertaking that they will bear their power shutdown and undertaking Delhi at the time, they will shed the load and they will do on their own arrangements by way of generator. I think I will differentiate those particular industries. And I will keep the feeder running. And I will install meters. Instead now it is 1.5 times. I will make it 4 times. So I have some different thinking only I am coming out with. Because see, Barik, the feeder, Barik industry asa, whoever much before these new industries came. Not that I will not give these new industries power, but the infrastructure I have to increase. But right measures will be taken at the right time. But I feel that see, today a cost of running a generator in the industry works out to around 14 to 16 rupees per unit. Today they are getting power at the rate of 6 rupees, 5 rupees per unit. So that is 100% this 1.5 times. It is not that we cannot draw power. See, the problem is, Sakanche Disak, we are paying a fine because we are using less power. Rajche, we are paying a fine because we are overdrawing. So some balance has to be done. That is why I have to put a big thought to that.
You are making a major announcement. You are saying that you are going to differentiate the industries based on their scale.
No.
And you are going to provide them power accordingly.
No. See, there is a feeder already there.
Correct.
Industries had come first.
Yeah.
Now the same feeder, new industries, when we knew, the department knew that we could not provide power to
Still
them.
you give connections.
Still giving on the undertaking that when during the load shed, they will bear the load shed.
Yeah.
Now what is happening, when you put out the feeder, every industry is getting
all
suffered.
industries suffer.
So now what will happen, those people who had given undertaking that we will bear load shed.
So you are going to differentiate between industries who have given undertaking and who have not given undertaking.
Correct. That is one first step
Yeah.
to help everybody.
Yeah.
And also increase the infrastructure so that they also come in line maybe in another year's time, 2 years time by bringing a different feeder. For that I require money. So who is going to give me money? The chief minister has to give me money. Or I have to come out with the other thinking, or the central government has to give me thinking. So I am already planning in such a way that now 5-year Niti Ayog,
No.
Police Planning Commission, what do you require for the state for 5 years?
Yes.
I have already told the secretary, I have told this, that since they are going to come here for 2019 to 2000 whatever, to plan in such a way that we will ask the center to give us fund over a period of 5 years to get all our infrastructure changed. Because if the state cannot see, state maximum, we generate around 180 crores as electrical duty, which can be used for infrastructure. What is 180 crores today? It's not enough. So, but we will find mechanisms to improve at least the feeders. Forget the LT line, घराकडे होता ते repair करून मिळतं. Feeder extension of lines, drawing lines.
Basic infrastructure.
Basic feeders, म्हणजे lines जे आता 33 kVA, 1110 kVA or 11 kVA feeder lines, we will focus on that first. Instead of changing all conductors. This is my focus.
तुम्ही एक कॉल सेंटर सुरुवात केली. आज ते कॉल सेंटर धडना. कारण सामान्य मनशा हांव हे प्रश्न विचारता कारण तुम्ही म्हणटले की आपण चार्ज घेऊन 1 महिनो सुद्धा चालला आणि हो आपल्या हांगा आपल्याला
10 दीस जाऊन
तेच म्हणटा 10 दीस चालला
चार्ज घेऊन सेक्रेटरी बसपाक रावना
तेच म्हणटा तरी आसतना हाणे आपल्या आपल्याने हो आपल्या असले सगळे वाकडे तिकडे प्रश्न विचारता बट तुम्ही एमएलए म्हणून इतले काम केला तुमकां लोकांचे प्रश्न खबर आहात कॉल सेंटर सारखी जी गजाल असता ती गरजेची आयच्या काळा भितर लोकांक एक 1 पॉइंट कॉन्टॅक्ट असप गरजेचो जातले कितें ताचे बाबतींत काय तुम्ही आनी कितें तरी यू आर गोइंग टू कम आउट विथ अ डिफरंट मॉड्यूल
ना कॉल सेंटर इज रिक्वायर्ड नंबर्स विचारले ना 19-12 बाकीचे आता कितें जालां स्ट्रीट लायट गेला कॉल सेंटर त्यांचे गेला 19-12 आमचे आणि कितें आय विल मेक वन कॉल सेंटर इरिस्पेक्ट बिकॉज इट इज माय डिपार्टमेंट वन सेंट्रल सिस्टम वेर everybody is answerable and accountable. नाल्यार ते फोन करता तेका ते आवाज 10 जाणांचे येता इट शुड बी अ प्रोफेशनल कॉल सेंटर वेर अ पर्सन कॅन बी अप्रोचेबल हीज प्रॉब्लम्स कितें जाता लोकांक जेन्ना फोन करता तूं ताका अटेंड करना तो आनी तापता आनी ताजो आनी फ्रस्ट्रेशन आनी जाता
मागीर ते मंत्र्या फोन मारतात
आतां मंत्री
तुम्ही बरे कॉल सेंटर केले न्ही एक फायदा तुका येवपाचे फोन कमी जातले
ते करता सो वील हॅव टू मेक अ रियल प्रोफेशनल कॉल सेंटर वेर अकाउंटेबिलिटी वील बी देर and where we will have all कसले डिपार्टमेंटाचे कसलीच कॉल सेंटर आसा पळय स्ट्रीट लायट कितें कितें आसा ते एकूच कडेन करपाचें एंड आय डोंट थिंक दॅट सी आय एम नॉट सेइंग दॅट गोवन्स कॅनॉट वर्क तें म्हणना ना रोखडे मागीर गोंयकार काम करना म्हणटले भायल्यांक येता म्हणटले तेंय मागीर वी ऑल गोवन्स कॅन वर्क बट वी अकाउंटेबिलिटी ऑफ गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंट इज बिकमिंग व्हेरी पयलीं भाशेन जे जनरेशन आशिल्लें आय ऑलवेज टेल जनरेशन बिफोर मी पीपल वूड दे फेल्ट दॅट दे शूड वर्क वेन जनरेशन लायक मी हू आर वर्किंग दे फील that okay we should work the newer generation they work but some of them work some of them feel that they should on mobile be off दवरता माझे एकूच जेई येई आणि आय टोल्ड म्हाका सीख सांगला I want reports from the individual JE from what I should do as a power minister to give 24 hours electricity. Time दिला 15 days. I don't want that file to move from JE to AE to E to SE and give a combined report. I want individual reports from every JE because each one is accountable. Accountable to the people of Goa, accountable to me as I am representing the people of Goa, and that is accountable first the phone. तुका गव्हर्मेंटान आमी सगळ्यांक मोबायल दिला, इट हॅज टू बी आन्सर्ड. थोड्यांची एक्सक्यूज आसता खंय मोबायल टावर रेंज मेळना, ते रेंजूय आमी घालून दितले. पूण ते दॅट इज अकाउंटेबिलिटी ऑफ जेई एई, एवरीबडी इज अकाउंटेबल इन्क्लुडिंग द
आणि
लँड.
गोंयकाराची एक गजाल सामकी सांगता, गोंयकाराक भरपूर पाशियस आसता आणि एक फोन केला तेन्ना जर ताका सांगलें न्ही लायट अर्दवरान येतली म्हणून तो अर्दवर बसता, पण जेन्ना ताका फोनूच घेना आनी कोण सारकी उत्तर दिना पळय न्ही तेन्ना मागीर तो गोंयकार पिकार जाता.
काल आतां म्हाका वास्को सड्या वयल्यान फोन येयलो
हय
आनी तेजी आवय जाणटी कितें तरी प्रॉब्लम आसा, 3 वरां लायन ना म्हणटले. आय इन्क्वायर्ड ती जाल्यार लायटनिंगाचें ताका लायटनिंग जालें तितून तो ट्रान्सफॉर्मर आमचो जो सबस्टेशनचो ट्रान्सफॉर्मर आसा 10 MVAचो तो फेल जालो, करंट पुरती मारपाक लागलो. सो दे हॅड टू डायवर्ट दीस टू समबडी एल्स. सो दॅट पीपल डोंट अंडरस्टँड नो. That first she called me at 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock she called me again, sending still light did not come. Trying to explain to a common man who is not technical, what will I tell them? How can I change one line less like this? It is not easy. I always make a statement that electricity department, even if a small tube of wood falls on some line and it is giving contact, it can to identify it.
गोंयकार म्हणून म्हजी इतलीच अपेक्षा आसा की सारकी उत्तर तुमच्या ऑफिसरा कडच्यान की चल अर्दवर जाल्यार अर्दवर, 1 वर जाल्यार 1 वर, 1 वरान बाबा इतली आमचें काम चालू आसा, हें सुद्दां उत्तर जर कोणाक मेळ्ळें न्ही तो 1 वर पासियस काडटा, पूण हें उत्तर मेळपाक जाय.
जायच न्ही तेका आनी पर्याय ना. So accountability is not a power minister. Accountability is the G and the line staff. I have made it very clear. See, I am also a political person. I have also a constituency. I am being elected by people. But I make it very clear. As far as work is concerned, we are accountable. And I will, konak lagging adpa jay, poise adpa jay, I will not interfere. But the moment they have failed their duty, our linemen ni, our G ni, जो कोण अकाउंटेबल आख्खे काढून खंयच्यान खंय ट्रान्सफर करतलो आनी दुसरे काडटलो. दिस इज द वे वी हॅव टू फंक्शन and that is the way we will get results, and I am very clear. See, when my conscience is clear and I want accountability, I will work on those lines.
आता एक प्रश्न येता तो पॉलिटिकल प्रश्ना भितर तुमी यू स्माइल्ड कारण परिस्थिती जशी आहा की दिसान दीस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन स्पीड कमी जायत चल्ल्या आणि एज अ मिनिस्टर्स फाटल्या सप्तकात तुमी सगळे जाण मंत्री मेळ्ळे रिव्ह्यू घेवपा खातीर. वॉट डू यू थिंक कितें करप गरजेचें? कारण मुख्यमंत्र्याची परिस्थिती सगळे समजतात, पण त्या परिस्थितीक लागून एडमिनिस्ट्रेशनाची स्पीड जी आसा ती इतली मंद जावप उपकरना.
नाही तशें कांय ना. हांव तूं कितें म्हणटा अशी आय ऑलवेज एडमीट दॅट वेन द चीफ मिनिस्टर इज नॉट देयर, येस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हॅज अ डिफेक्ट, देयर इज नो डाउट अबाउट इट. बट द वे इट इज प्रोजेक्टेड बाय द ऑपोजिशन इज नॉट लायक दॅट. Things are happening, things are going. He see himself seeing files and saying Krishnamurthy, जो आमचो secretary as a chief minister, he approves the files with his stamp and that. But there are some things where yes, but not affecting the common man, not affecting 100%. Yes, administration requires to be done. आता पळय हांव म्हजें सांगता, आतां पावर डिपार्टमेंट घेतलें, म्हाका सांग म्हजो पावर डिपार्टमेंट प्लॅन करपाक कितें करपाक हें करपाक जाय तें करपाक म्हाका चीफ मिनिस्टराची गरज ना.
एब्सोल्युटली
हांव करतलोच. आता म्हाका चीफ मिनिस्टर केन्ना गरज पडटली जेन्ना म्हजे टेंडराची फेज, बिकॉज एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह अप्रुवल आय हॅव टू गिव, नॉट द चीफ मिनिस्टर, फॉर टेंडरिंग ऑल द इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर वर्क्स. एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह आय हॅव टू गिव. आफ्टर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह टेंडर, when it goes for financial sanction, that is when I will require the honorable chief minister in case I go excess of my budget. In my budget, if it is there, I have to follow up my file and get it done. So I am just telling you that I am giving a small reason that yes, in these cases I will require chief minister when it goes to expenditure sanction. But yes, now because there is no money with the government, let us say, I am saying, assume, I don't know, there must be, and it is a known fact, it is mining is not there, that much revenue which is coming to the state will not be there. Because there is no money, now I have to take a decision on how to bring in money, how to get money for my infrastructure, खंय तरी पयशे हाडपाक जाय infrastructure करपाक. This is a bigger policy decision that the government has to take on a wholesome, not as an individual power minister, because it's a government guarantee. If I am going to get money from the open market to infrastructure, how we are going to pay back. So this type maybe I might require the whole chief minister.
You need
to be,
chief minister, you need finance minister for that.
Yeah, but that, no, finance minister maybe, but as chief minister to guide and to take it in a wholesome way to develop the infrastructure. But till such time, it is, I don't think we require.
म्हाका एक गजाल सांग, आय एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू दिस बिकॉज यू हॅव बीन व्हेरी फ्रँक So I don't think because you are minister now, you should be less frank.
No,
So you will be equally frank. As a minister, you are elected and there you are appointed by the chief minister to the council of ministers. अशी परिस्थिती भितर जेन्ना तुम्ही म्हणटात की एका ब्युरोक्रेटा म्हऱ्याक फायल वता आणि ही सायन्स इट ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द चीफ मिनिस्टर. Is it a right practice or is it a right precedent to put? I am asking because you are a minister, you are elected by the people, and there is a constitutional system. And आज अशी आमी एक सिस्टम घालून दिल्या which has no precedence.
No, maybe. See, what is happening? Ultimately, I have seen those files now. What is written on approval by the chief minister, आणि तो sign मारता आणि दिता म्हणजे कितें आसा तें. So he conveys that system by mail or whatever it is. It's a system, maybe it's a new modern. आता पळय म्हाका सांग, तुम्ही पयले लायटीची बील लायनीन भरताले न्ही, भरताले काय ना, पैसे कॅश काडटाले भरताले. आता कितें येयला, आता मॉडर्न टेक्नॉलॉजी येयल्या, मॉडर्न सिस्टम येयल्या, घरा कडेन आता हांगा बसून तुजी सगळी लायटीची बिलां भरूंक शकता.
बरोबर.
सो दिस इज पार्ट ऑफ द मॉडर्नायझेशन ऑफ द सिस्टम. व्हॉट इज रॉंग इन दॅट?
Why can't a minister coordinate with the chief minister?
Who said minister cannot coordinate? To mail.
Why you need a bureaucrat to say that as approved by the chief minister
See,
after
because
discussion?
that is how the functioning is. Even when the chief minister is there, the files are routed to the bureaucrat. You
I
cannot
know,
go
I know.
directly.
But it is finally signed by the chief minister.
Yeah, so what I'm saying, today technology, as I told you, I just pointed out to you, my electricity bill, first I had to stand in a line. Today I just pay all my bills sitting here. I don't have to move from this chair. All my bills can be paid. So this is the modern generation. We have
अशें
to-
दिसना की समजा जर कोणा कडेन चार्ज दिल्लो चीफ मिनिस्टरान, rather than giving a charge to a bureaucrat, if a charge was given to one of the council of ministers, one of the ministers from the council of ministers.
So you are a person who has been in the media industry for a long time.
Yeah.
We all know that today's present government is dependent and interdependent on each other. We are not totally as a government. It is a government made by them only when saying they brought him from दिल्लीच्यान हाडलो that आमी जर गव्हर्मेंट करता जाल्यार तोच आसलेला करता हे आमी एक्सेप्ट करपाक जाय. देर इज नो डावट. सो तेणे डिफेन्स पोर्टफोलियो सोडून तो चीफ मिनिस्टर म्हणून गोंयांत येयलो आनी तेज्या अंडर तो गव्हर्मेंट जालो. आतां ते सदांच स्टेटमेंट करता की आमकां मनोहर पर्रीकर आसलो गव्हर्मेंट आमी सदांच तेंको दितलो. एक जालें. आतां हे गोश्टीन तूं म्हणटा की कोणाक चीफ मिनिस्टर करचो. आता
चार्ज दिवचो. I am on a very limited point.
चीफ मिनिस्टर करचो. चार्ज दिवप म्हणल्यार तूं समजना ना. चार्ज म्हणल्यार ना.
I am on a very limited point of constitutionality here. म्हजें म्हणणें इतलेंच की आय एम नॉट सेइंग की कोणाक चार्ज दिवचो और कसो दिवचो. म्हाका एक नागरीक म्हणून दिसता की the custody of power has to be in the hands of an elected member of the house rather than the bureaucrat.
No, but
I am on that limited point.
I agree with you.
Yeah.
What I'm saying, see, you don't understand. After the bureaucrat who is giving that thing, it is under his approval. He signs on behalf of the chief minister. That is the only difference. But
Why
all
can't a minister or a politician sign on behalf of the chief minister?
of
We
course,
elected politician.
Of course, he can sign. See, that situation will come if it demands, which should not come. God forbid it should come. But right now, see, he is our chief minister. I am very blunt. He is my chief minister. He should remain a chief minister. Ata, what is this issue about giving to somebody to hold charge, take cabinet meetings, do this? You see, it is ultimately.
तुम्ही म्हणतात की तुमच्या अलायन्स पार्टनरांच्या डिमांडाक लागून सद्याक ह्या परिस्थिती शिवाय आनी कसलीच परिस्थिती सिस्टम घालप शक्य ना.
ना अलायन्स पार्टनराचे म्हटल्यार इनिशियली जो आशिल्लो तो आशिल्लोच न्ही. इनिशियली कितें आशिल्लो
Only if Manohar Parrikar is the chief minister.
मागीर आतां they should come out with a solution. Okay, Baba, see, the BJP is a bigger party. See, I'm making a very clear statement because what happens normally you all cut short and माझे तू करना कोण रे मागीर फुडें 10 दिसांनी 1-2 महिन्यांनी मागीर शॉर्ट येता हांव कितें उलयता
ते तुमगे सोशल मिडिया तुमची पॉलिटिकल पार्टींची करता आमी करना.
म्हजें हांव स्टेटमेंट करता. सी, मनोहर पर्रीकर should be the chief minister. Now the alliance partners are there. I am not saying they are not eligible to become chief minister. They are all eligible to become chief minister. But today the scenario तसो ना. So it is BJP led government.
Correct.
So within the BJP, somebody they should say, okay, to hold charge. CM will remain Mr. Manohar Parrikar. To hold charge till he comes back. Baba, they should say, okay, आमी दोगोय बसले, आमी एका दिवपाचो, एका केले आमकां काय प्रॉब्लेम ना. आतां सद्याक कितें आसा तें तुका खबर हांव तें स्पश्ट सांगना. सो आय फील BJP will never say that you become the chief minister or you become the chief minister or you hold the charge or you hold the charge. BJP as a party is a major party, it is a national party. Automatically they should say, okay, within the BJP you say that this temporary for 2 महिने or 15 days or 10 days so that the government of function, they should come out with that idea.
फाल्यां समजात या एका अलायन्स पार्टनरान तुमचो एका पक्षाचो मर्जर जालो आनी त्या पक्षाच्या लिडराक जर तो आतां बीजेपी जालो म्हणून मुख्यमंत्री करता अशें जर सांगलें जाल्यार तुमी जे इतलीं वर्सां बीजेपी भितर आसात तांकां ऑब्जेक्शन आसतलें.
पर्सनली निलेश काब्राला काय ऑब्जेक्शन ना.
हांव सगळ्यांचें
ना
म्हणटा.
म्हाका लोकांचे हांव उडोवंक शकना. म्हाका एज निलेश काब्राल कांयच प्रॉब्लम ना की अल्टिमेटली वी हॅव टू वर्क इन द इंट्रस्ट ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ गोवा. आता तितून तुम्ही इक्वेशन सांगतात, इक्वेशन व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट. 14 + 3 17, 14 + 3 17, 17 + 3 20 जाल्यार ओके, म्हणजे 6 जाण म्हणजे जावंक पडले अशें म्हजें म्हणणें आहे. 6 जाण म्हणजे जाल्यार वी बिकम व्हेरी स्ट्रॉंग. बट तेंचे भितरल्यान कोण सेप्युटी चीफ मिनिस्टर जावपाचो, डेप्युटी चीफ मिनिस्टर जाता, म्हाका काय प्रॉब्लम ना. बट आय ऑलवेज हॅव रिस्पेक्ट फॉर माय चीफ मिनिस्टर.
तुम्ही म्हणटा की 17 करून चीफ मिनिस्टर कोणाक भायल्यानाक करची परस 20 करून केल्यार चड
नो
उरता.
प्रॉब्लम, करा मरे. चीफ मिनिस्टर, डेप्युटी चीफ मिनिस्टर, चीफ मिनिस्टर, डेप्युटी चीफ मिनिस्टर, हे
6 जाण हाडात.
हांव म्हणटा रे, इट इज
Basically,
माय
हय.
MINE.
हय.
ते मातशे सारके लोकांक सांग MINE, माय व्यू एज अ जनरल फेलो, नॉट एज BJP पार्टी. आतां
Correct.
स्पोक्स पर्सन म्हणा आय ते केलें अशें ना.
हय.
माय व्यू सी, इफ यू ब्रिंग समबडी, वॉट इज रॉंग? अल्टिमेटली वी हॅव टू सर्व पीपल and what we have to do is give good service to people.
You are okay with an imported chief minister?
तुवें कितें म्हटलं BJP मर्ज करता म्हणून.
हय. So imported म्हणलें हांवें.
How you can call them imported? When they are with BJP, how you can call BJP imported? There is no question of imported. They are
So
BJP.
with a merger you are ready to accept a chief
No,
minister?
no, I'm not saying anything all that. My chief minister is Mr. Manohar Parrikar. So you said a proposition.
asked a question, yeah.
You asked a proposition.
Yes.
So when you ask me a proposition, I have replied to your proposition. See, I have no problem. So whether it is 3 or 6, it's more than merrier. But as long as they are BJP within the BJP party,
Yeah.
no problem. I have no problem.
लास्ट प्रश्न म्हजो एक जालें की तुमचें जेन्ना कॅबिनेट रिशफल जालें तेन्ना खूब जाणांचो असो एक सूर आयलो की युअर गुड फ्रेंड मायकल लोबो शुड हॅव बीन गिवन ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी this time when the cabinet was reshuffled. You agree or you disagree? This is my last question.
No, see, I told I have been very blunt. I'm always open.
Yeah.
See, to become a minister, I'm telling you, it is not my prerogative.
No, I know.
It is the chief minister's prerogative. Today, the situation does not demand that. See, today in the whole government, only BJP 5 MLAs are the ministers out of 12, including the chief minister. We are in a minority. Even having after 14 MLAs.
Yeah.
So the situation does not give, Baba, I am not saying Michael is inefficient or Michael is good or whatever. That is a different scenario. Michael is good, he works with the people, he is with the people, he gets elected, he got elected, लोकांमध्ये असं काम करता. But निलेश काब्रालाक फाल्यां म्हाका मायकलाक जर केल्लो ते लोक निलेश काब्रालाक सांगले तूं यो रे आमी येता रे तुजे वांगडा या रे ताका सांगया तुका करपाक जाय तूं लास्ट टायम इतल्या मतान जिंकलो आतां चड मतान जिंकलो लोक म्हाकाय सांगता न्ही म्हाज्या मतदारसंघात सांगना म्हाजे क्लोज आतां सद्दां सांगताले बट हाव आय रिएक्ट इज इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर मी इज टू डू वर्क ऑफ द पीपल नॉट द पावर आय एम टेलिंग यू रायट नाव तुजे तू यू कॅन ऑलवेज पोतून सांगू शकता दॅट इफ टुमॉरो चीफ मिनिस्टर डिसाइड्स दॅट निलेश काब्राल यू शूड स्टेप डाउन बिकॉज इट इज रिक्वायर्ड बिकॉज ऑफ द सिच्युएशन आय विल स्टेप डाउन I have no interest for, but nobody can tell me that don't work for my people of Goa, or as a power minister, or the people of my constituency to get major works to be done. Okay, nobody can stop me that as long as I am an MLA. If tomorrow people of my constituency decides that no, that Nilesh Kabral useless, काम करना, मुझे माने ना, people of Goa will decide to throw me out. Then I have no say. But as a minister or as a chairman of GTC, the honorable chief minister of the Goa state of Goa tells me I will give my resignation anytime. There is no difference.
Nilesh Kabral, frank as ever. I hope this frankness remains forever.
Always,
Pleasure
always.
talking to you.
Thank you, always.